Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? I'm MakeupPixie. I do unboxings, I do tutorials. So if you're into all things makeup, consider subscribing. I have rejoined the Ipsy world. Yeah, honestly don't remember why I canceled. It wasn't like anything bad. I think I just stopped it for whatever reason. Anyways, for those who don't know, Ipsy is a makeup subscription service and it's $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe samples, some full-size products. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Let's open up this pink envelope. Ooh. Here we go. So we get a little info card and we have the 5 products that come in the bag, and then here it's I guess it's the theme. It says swoon so hard. So let's go ahead and see what this February bag has in store for us. One of the things I do love about Ipsy is their bags, because apart from the fact that you're getting 5 products, you're getting a makeup bag, and they always have like the cutest patterns. So this month of February, of course the month of love for Valentine's Day, we have lips. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. So the first thing I'm going to grab here is the I never know how to say this brand name, but I'm going to say Juicy. I don't know. I'm like so bad with names sometimes. I don't know how to pronounce this. We have a Fierce and Fine graphic pen, and in the shade black we have a liquid liner pen, and ooh, that is a very fine marker felt tip. Let's see, I have a couple of things on my hand right now. So ooh, I actually, you know what, I think I got this. Ooh, sorry, that was my phone. Ooh. Sorry. I actually think I got this in when I went to Generation Beauty, when I went to Creator Day. I actually think I got this in the bag. I have to check. I have so many things, I kind of don't even know what the hell I have anymore, but I think I actually got this. Anyway, so this is the swatch. It went on very smoothly, no skipping. It dried right away. Now we have here from Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay, and this looks like it's a sample size of the Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Okay, some good skincare. Let's see. Oh, I forget, this one doesn't give you prices obviously because they're like samples. Then we have from Laga. Oh, hold on, I got the light. So I have from Laga Prickly Pear. Laga, I don't know, is the shade Prickly Pear? Let's see, let's read. So okay, so Laka, so it's Laka & Co Prickly Pear pH Gloss. So okay, cool. So this, it says the formula adjusts to your skin's pH level, enhancing or softening its pink undertones to create your own custom shade. So here we are. Then we have from try to run away from me. We have No Pore Problem Priming Water from Touch and Soul. Very liquidy. Oh, I guess it's like water. Cool. Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water. Interesting. Cool. 1 to 2 drops into your palms, rub your hands together and pat all over your face before applying makeup. Oh wow, cool. And it's very, yeah, interesting. So this is a brush from, where are you from, brush? Farah. So we have, where are we? So from Farrah brushes, the powder brush, and it's the 50F. So, ooh. Okay, soft bristles. I am loving this brush handle though. It is like hot pink. It's like holographic hot pink, and it has like a little bit of, it's like an ombre. It has like a lightish like gold, like rose gold almost. Ooh, I am loving this handle right now. So cute. The bristles are soft. Ooh, I love it. I love pink brushes. They're so pretty to look at. Ooh, nice. So this one is, like I said, Farrah brushes. From Farrah brushes, the powder brush number 50F. And like I said, I am loving this handle. Wow. Always nice when you get brushes, I think. I think you can't have enough brushes. You know what I mean? Wow. Very soft, very cool. So not bad for my first bag back. I'm very excited for the eyeliner. You cannot have like I said, like with brushes, you can't have enough liquid eyeliners, especially in pen form, because these are always good when you're on the go and you just have to like touch up real quick or just do your eyeliner real quick. These are always good to just have and throw in your purse. And the bag is super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're excited for the Ipsy monthly unbaggings, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Follow me on social media, guys. All my info is down below. Till the next video.